Kargil Vijay Divas celebrations have kicked off here at the Army's Northern Command in Udhampur. A bike rally is being conducted and they are going to Kargil War Memorial in Dras. This bike rally will be flagged off shortly by Subedar Sanjay Kumar, who is the Paramveer Chakra awardee. Right now you can see that this bike rally will be led by Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi, Northern Army Commander, and now you can see that 75 bikers will be participating in this mega bike rally. It will leave from Udhampur now and they will reach Kargil day after tomorrow. So you can see there is massive enthusiasm here among the participants of this bike rally. The heroes of Kargil war are being remembered. Celebrations of the 22nd anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas have started here in Jammu and Kashmir, and Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi is leading this bike rally to Kargil. He was there when the Kargil war was taking place, and now he will be leading this bike rally to remember the heroes of the icy heights of Kargil. We are now being joined by the Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi. Sir, how excited are you about this bike rally?
Yeah, I'm very excited. You know, it is very important that the sacrifices made by the brave soldiers of the Indian Army are not only recognized but also remembered, so that they continue to inspire the current and the future generations of the country. So therefore, today this effort of ours, this motorcycle rally that we are undertaking, is to remember the fallen heroes during Operation Vijay, and also to revive, rekindle and invigorate the spirit of patriotism amongst the youth. On the 7th of July, I had flown over Batra top in a Sukhoi. That was the day when one of my company commanders, Captain Vikram Batra, Paramveer Chakra, had laid down his life. And today, I am undertaking this motorcycle rally to remember all the fallen heroes of the Indian Army who have laid down their life for the nation. My message to the youth of the country is to look beyond the myopic material gains and commit themselves to a greater cause of the greater good of the country and the people of India. It is important for the youth to dream big, to think big, to do big, and to become big. I want to tell them that do not follow a beaten track. Go into the unknown. Make your own path and leave a trail for others to follow. Always, who dares wins. And my message to the citizens of the country is that be at rest assured that the brave soldier of the Indian Army will always stand steadfast in his vigil to protect the nation, even at the cost of making supreme sacrifice and laying down his life without batting an eyelid.
Kargil Vijay Divas celebrations have kicked off and a bike rally was flagged off a short while ago by Subedar Sanjay Kumar, who is the Paramveer Chakra awardee. The bike rally was flagged off here from Udhampur. Now this bike rally will go to Kargil War Memorial. So they are going to pay homage to their brave hearts who laid down their lives for the nation during the Kargil war. And you can see that 75 bikers from Udhampur have left for Kargil, and they are going to pay homage to the heroes of the icy heights of Kargil. This bike rally is being led by Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi, who is the Northern Army Commander. So there is great enthusiasm among the participants, and the Vijay Divas celebrations have started. This bike rally has been titled as Dhruv Kargil Ride, and it will reach Dras day after tomorrow. So there is massive enthusiasm among the participants. They said that they are very proud to be part of this bike rally. They are going to pay homage and tributes to the heroes of the Kargil war. Right now we are accompanying the bike rally which has been flagged off from Udhampur by Subedar Sanjay Kumar, who is a Paramveer Chakra awardee. This bike rally will conclude at the War Memorial in Dras in Kargil. And this bike rally has been organized to remember the martyrs of Kargil War. 22 years ago, Pakistani army persons had occupied heights of Kargil, and later on under Operation Vijay, India emerged victorious and all the Pakistani occupiers were chased away. So in remembrance of the martyrs of Kargil War, this bike rally has been organized. This bike rally will first reach Srinagar and then it will head towards the War Memorial in Kargil. This bike rally is being led by Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi. He himself was also part of Kargil War and he wants to pay tributes to the fallen soldiers, to the soldiers who made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. Right now my camera person is showing you the pictures of this bike rally. Right now we are on Jammu-Srinagar National Highway and this bike rally is heading towards Srinagar. It will stop there for a day and then it will head towards the War Memorial in Dras. You can see that the participants are very excited. With great patriotic fervor, they are participating in this bike rally. Some of these soldiers who are participating in this bike rally were in college. And we spoke to some of them. They said that when they saw the images of Kargil War on television in 1999, they were inspired by the bravery, courage and valor of our forces, and it motivated them to join the army. Today they are part of the army and today they are also part of this bike rally. They are going to pay tributes to the martyrs of Kargil War. They are feeling proud and with great patriotic fervor, this bike rally is heading towards the War Memorial in Dras, Kargil. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt for India Today.